So Dovey Magnum's song Ball Out is making news again because Chozen has taken it and remixed it to a more religious churchical version. And if you guys don't know, Ball Out is one of Dovey Magnum's top songs and hitting the airwaves in Jamaica really hard now. So we're gonna get into Ball Out, the original, and Ball Out, the church version.
Don't stop. Oh, what a feeling. Me love the fuck feeling. Me want feel everything in me. Load up your gun, make it bust in me. Breed me one, breed baby come in me. Beer but no condom in me.
Ignore what you're feeling. Your purpose God revealing. Don't stop. Push on. Me show love cause I got in me. Words of wisdom busting on me. Lead me and lead greatness in me. No lack God provide for me.
You heard the original version and the Chozen version, which is one of the more religious Christian version of the song. And as you guys know, the original Ball Out song is very explicit, it's very sexual, it's very intense. It talks about having sex without condoms and all this other stuff in it, and he remixed it to a more, I don't know how to say it, gospel mixed with dancehall version. And a lot of people had a lot to say about this because of how raunchy the original song is. A lot of people are saying that this song does not need to be sung in a church or need to be used to worship the Lord or represent the Lord because of how raunchy the lyrics are. And Chozen was dead wrong to actually remix this song, but he is now getting a lot of airplay and a lot of notoriety because just like how you have naysayers, you have people that actually like the remixed version and think it is a good version, and also a version that will attract a lot of Jamaican youths to the church and to worship the Lord because it's something culturally appropriate, something that the new generation can actually attest to and relate to. So say it's not one of those Sunday hymns that we always sing and it's boring. It's more upbeat and it's nice for the younger audience that they're targeting. Quite frankly, the whole church thing to me is a business. I feel like church is a business, and I feel like these entertainers nowadays are wisening up because they realize that church is a business and they can make a lot of money off of it, and these pastors are not the only one that can make money. So they're using their influence and their art to actually tap into that market, and I honestly I can't blame them. I can't blame them at all, because just like all these pastors want your money or want your offering, and they claim it's for the Lord and all this stuff, that's the same thing with these entertainers. They're using their music and their art to praise the Lord and give you guys good music to listen to, and so you don't fall asleep in a church basically. So I can't blame them for actually trying to tap into that particular market. People like Wayne Marshall, Charlie Blacks, and Movado has tapped into that market recently, and we've done 3 different reviews on SoFlo TV's channel talking about how dancehall music is slowly transitioning into that more Christian-like mix, or that dancehall mixed with gospel remixed era, and it's nice to see that we can mix it up and keep some positive, clean music. But what I want my audience to do is actually tell me if they think that this remixed version of the original version is suitable to be played in church. Do you think it's appropriate, or do you think that he went a little bit too far remixing this raunchy song from dancehall music and try to make it into something it's really not? Do you think that when they're in church, they're actually going to sing the raunchy version and not the Christian version? Because I know enough of these churchgoers, they'll go to the party Saturday night and Sunday them their church, they read Bible verse. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about the original version and what you think about the remix version and what you think people are actually going to sing if they actually do take it up and place it into Jamaican churches. Like, share, comment, subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuces. And check out the rest of my videos and subscribe. Okay, love y'all.
Don't stop. Oh, what a feeling. Me love the fuck feeling. I want feel everything in me. Load up your gun, make it bust in me. Breed me one, breed baby, come in me. Beer but no condom in me.